Song of Maria Clara by Jose Rizal. Sweet the earth in the native country, where friendly shine the sun above. Life is the breeze that sweeps the widows, tranquil is death, most tender love. Warm kisses on the lips are playing as we awake to mother face. The arms are singing to embrace her, the eyes are smiling as they glaze. How sweet to die for the native country, where friendly shine the sun above. That is the breeze for him who has no country, no mother, and no love. Ang tulang The Song of Maria Clara ni Jose Rizal ay nagsasalaysay ng matamis na alaala ng buhay sa sariling bayan at ang pagkakaiba nito sa mapait na kamatayan para sa isang taong walang bayan, ina at pag-ibig. Inilalarawan nito ang pagmamahal sa pamilya at bansa bilang mahalagang elemento sa isang masayang buhay.